Me mamu nyina akwa bashonko PACO TV live. Am some full lady titi. In an made the journey of health jumedie made the bremo. I can memu ni ebeka no Apomuden Akwantu. Na ene ni ye pure man fi ekuapem. Na me pe se ye mbonra street mu ni ye no montwetwe nkomo. Emfa eye topic be home. Now one was so ya summer program e course bi ne nyame ye Joyce fashion. Nyame ye Joyce fashion. So ope baby ma wa pamatare papa amaw ahye. Na wo de akọ funeral, birthday parties. Baby biara ye hye atare ko bi nyame ye Joyce fashion. Now obi baby sa say nyame ye Joyce fashion no wo locate no we our latte ekuapem Kubase DA primary in Chen Honoma. Now it's nyame ye Joyce fashion no so no hono otonton nyama bebre ntoma bibi biara uhia akadia say ye de ka ho pam atare ma efata na ho ye fe nyame ye Joyce fashion ne ye koye nim nso a Paddy's mother care otonton nkwala ho nyama ye kan kwala ho nyama nso a diapers, baby oil, baby powders, bibi biara yedeka akwala Paddy's mother care ono no behu no monochrome eno so we kuape mountain no so a ye koye nimu nso a Ritas Cosmetics ono nso tonton nyama yedeka hunemdua no body splash, body cream, hair food, even wigs apapa pan obetumi ahye egu ti so ama ho ayefe na wo body ne nso akasa na ya hana ama ye koye nimu nso a Nyamene hene enterprise otonton provisions biara ono nso wolate ekuapem Kubase in mountain so DA primary opposite in Chemu honomano so debia mi refi ene dia mame mbo mabaso kaka latte road lobby group. Yes, latte road lobby group omo boa nyama bebre omo boa latte malate no etumponti ye bo omabaso ne yakasa omo aya ade na ansa ne ye beto adwumedie no so me yentwa ho sama ne mbo nkọ kronim ne ye ne amanfo ntwetwe nkomo makramo adults positive mind ventures ahano watonton earphones accessories watches and electricals I'm say lady no bo advert amano ho now with the question last week you about healthy sex na ene me pia bonten so mame ne afoforo ba betwetwe nkomo ne ye take view of the question or of the topic we tackled, which is last week. Me patcho your friend lady titi na so
Victoria
den
Victoria Yeboa.
Okay, me aminim say we ye adwuma wa has as what
as shop attendants.
Okay, shop attendants. Okay, what kind of shop attendants? That doesn't stop you for being a romantic shop attendant, right? Not just say you believe in marriage, right?